guys, it's Chantel with Wild Berry Quilting, and I've got an Amazon box today. So let's find out what's inside. Sorry about that. My camera died just as I was opening up the box. But what I was saying is I got these two little, it is a 2-pack of these book lights. Well, that's what they're intended to be, is book lights. But I got them so that we could use them to travel and do our cross stitching. And they just clip right onto the side of your frame. And I'm not sure whether it has a charge yet to where I could test this out, but let's see. Nope, no charge in them. But I will let you know how they work. I've got one of these already that is a white from, it looks almost identical except for it's a different company. And that one did come with a charge, and I've used it and I love it. These two I got because I thought my girls would like these blue colors, and who doesn't like that beautiful blue? It's a very pretty aqua color. So I will link the one that I bought for myself down below, but I will also link these after I've tested them out and make sure they work nicely. Okay, so this is the one that I bought for myself. It's just a white one, and I really like it. It does have several different settings for the light and the brightness. I don't know if you can actually see how bright that's getting, but it is casting a different amount of light depending on what brightness level I put it at. Trying my best to show that, but I don't know that it's actually showing. I think there's 4 different colors, or 4 different, they're all the same color, but 4 different brightnesses. And I did actually figure out how to turn this one on. It does have a charge, but it is, there we go. So this one has different brightnesses as well. Looks like 1, 2, 3, and then off. So they're very similar. They're almost identical. This one has a little bit smaller light, and this one has metal around the outside, and the buttons are a little bit different. This one has the button on top, and it's entirely plastic up here. If you want to look at the light itself, you can kind of see the difference there. And they're both very bendy and flexible. They both have a little rotating gripper for their snap, but they rotate a little bit differently. I kind of feel like this one's a little bit better in the rotation. I like the way that this one, I feel like this big one is going to be a little bit more cumbersome with the frame than what the small one is. And the bottoms of them, there's just a little bit of a difference in the shape. The biggest difference that I see is the charging. This one takes those round charging cords, and this one takes those squared ones, which, let me show you what I mean by that. I wish I knew what this type of charging cable was called, but I feel like this could be a big deal for somebody, what type of charging cable it takes, because when you're traveling, it is useful to have just one cord that you have to bring with you, or one type of cord. And then this is the rounded or oval shaped one that comes with the white one. So angular charging port is for this blue one. I will link both of these down in the description box below in case you're interested in either one of them. All right, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.